Hello everyone, this is the Module 5 Interactive Advanced Concept Presentation involving starting a fire with a lemon. So first things first, to get this experiment started, we'll take a lemon and just kind of squeeze some of the juices out just to get that citric acid nice and available, nice and squeezed out of the flesh of the lemon. So then next step would be line some copper clips or copper nails, 6 of them right in a row from one end to the other end of the lemon. We'll then do the same thing with zinc nails, just on the other side. The nails should be about a centimeter apart, just arranged from the top of the lemon right to the bottom. Then we'll add some wire going across from the copper to the zinc, diagonally across the side, and then we'll leave one free zinc nail at one end, and then at the other end we'll leave one free copper nail. To those free nails we'll add a little bit of wire, and then at the ends of those wire we'll be able to connect that to steel wool and ignite whatever is available, paper towel, toilet paper. Basically the wires will complete the circuit when they touch the steel wool, allowing the electricity to flow, creating a spark and igniting the paper towel, toilet paper. The completion of this circuit is largely due to an oxidation reduction reaction between copper and zinc, and it's also largely in part due to the citric acid in the lemon, which acts as an electrolyte. So here zinc is acting as our anode, copper is acting as the cathode. So when the zinc is exposed to the citric acid, it gets oxidized, and the copper in this case would get reduced. So in the acid, the zinc loses electrons. These electrons flow out of the zinc and then into the copper, getting reduced or gaining electrons. So as you can see, this is kind of how the flow of electricity flows from the zinc through the copper, through this citric acid and water solution inside the lemon, allowing this electricity to flow and the spark to be made at the steel wool, allowing the paper to ignite. When I tried this experiment, I really didn't have much luck, unfortunately. I tried it a couple times. At first, I thought maybe the quality of the wire that I was using to connect the zinc nails to the copper nails wasn't very good. I thought I was getting a good connection on my steel wool because I was using pretty fine steel wool. It was kind of in a clump, so I figured, wherever I would touch it, it would make good contact and allow the circuit to be complete. This is why I was guessing that the wire between my zinc and my copper just was not making a very good connection. I was trying to twist it really tight to make it nice and obviously get the connection good. After a few minutes trying with that setup, I removed that wire and I got a softer wire that would kind of wrap a little bit tighter. I could kind of form it with my hands a little bit better, and then I actually took some pliers to kind of squeeze it together just so I know it would make a really tight connection with the nails. So once I got those on there, I made sure I had a good connection and attached it to the steel wool. Still didn't have any luck. I feel like it still must have been some sort of connection that where I made a mistake, or I had somehow positioned the nails in a way that made this reaction hard to. I made it difficult for the reaction to occur. Otherwise, I would love to give it another go to try and get the reaction to work. But I was unlucky today, but I'll definitely have to try again. All right, thanks.